I'm so sure that you are a beginner. If you are a beginner, you have some tasks to do. Let's share these actions, what you are gonna do. First, you don't get feared the words you have learned. Don't get feared that you don't know many structures. Never get feared you know nothing. And never get ashamed that people will laugh at you. If you can consider those things, inshallah, you have a great opportunity to go on. How are you going on? You have to meet different people. And for an example, if you would like to talk about a doctor is someone else who serves the patient. And a doctor sits in a chamber, he goes to hospital, he takes care lots of patients every day, and then he comes to the chamber. There again, he takes a great care of lots of patients. If you'd like to talk about a businessman, okay, that's great. Because if you would like to talk about a businessman, well, you can talk lots of things about a businessman. Because businessmen are many in number in our society. Some people are dealing in groceries, some people are dealing in iron, some people are dealing in clothes, some people are dealing in shipping, some people are dealing in fish, some people are dealing in different kind of, what should I say, vegetables, chicken, or superstores. So the thing is that you have to imagine about the different situations. For an example, I have gone to a market. There I have to do some shopping. As I have decided to do some shopping, what I am gonna do, I have moved around the market and found we are looking for or are looking for different kind of fresh vegetables. Then I have gone to the fish market. There I am buying fish. Okay, what do you do in a school? You do lots of things in a school. You go to school, attend the class, meet the friends, enjoy the classes. Sometimes you write, read, play, and you take tiffin. You share your views with your friends. Sometimes you have to present yourself to in front of your teacher. These are the things every day you do. What don't you do? How you get up? You get up early in the morning. Then you take what should I say? Take a wash. You wash yourselves and then brush your teeth and take some tea or go outside for exercising. Or some people recite from the Holy Quran. Some people pray a long time. Some people go meditating, and some people go doing different kind of works in their particular area. So this is how people start their day. And if you would like to talk about a teacher, what does a teacher do? A teacher goes to school. He teaches different kind of languages. He teaches the students different subjects. For an example, he teaches Bengali, he teaches physics, he teaches mathematics. And you have got a very good relation with your teacher because your teacher is very helpful and kind. Your teacher works out and teacher loves doing different kind of work. So this is how you have to imagine. So what I have said so far, do you find that it is very difficult? No, I'm just trying to change from one area to the other, and the other area to the other, and the other area to the other. Have I decided that today I would tell about that? No, I haven't got any decision that I would go talking about this kind of things. Suddenly I have decided I should talk something. As I have come out for exercising in the morning or walking in my locality, I've decided to be telling some words in front of the camera so my learners get inspired that wherever you are, maybe you are in a school, maybe you are in a playground, maybe you are in your relative's house, you do not miss the chance talking a few words. Do not bother for right or wrong. Sometimes we do lots of mistakes because it is a very common matter. If I were Bengali, I would do the same thing. Okay, while talking in Bengali language. And if somebody is Chinese, whenever he or she talks in Chinese, there might be some mistakes because people can't continue talking. People can't continuously go on a particular topic, and there would be some disturbances. But we should not bother for that. We should continue talking about this. So this is how we are focusing how to deal with this matter. And sometimes you will feel you lack of the words that I am going to tell a lot of sentences. I imagine that, I feel it, I dream of that, but I cannot continue. of course you can continue, but you have to know the way of talking. Sometimes you do not have many more structures. Do not get sorry about this. You just continue from one tense to the other. If you say I am going, then why not you say I was going? Why not you say I will be going? Why not you say I have gone? Why not you say I have to go? Why not you say I don't have to go? And you know all these structures. They are not really difficult. They are very common to you. But what you don't do, that you do not stand every day. If you stand every day, that would be really potential for you to go on. And standing every day on this particular issue would be challenge for you, because most of the people, when they start a journey, they start doing this for one day. I will learn how to drive a car. One day I went, I was very what should I say, amazed, and I was thrilled that I would learn how to drive a car. But I had to wake up early in the morning because my trainer tells me to go there at 6 a.m. But I cannot wake up. As I woke up one day, the very next day I got tired and I didn't get there. So that might happen, and you have to wake up once again. You have gone to the gym for exercising. When you had to lift some weight, you enjoyed the first day. Second day you feel bored, you do not go there, but you want to be a muscle person, okay, muscled one. So this is how we have to go on it. We have to continuously go on a show that we cannot drop it what we have decided to do. And decision, continuously growing up with the decision is a challenge. So we are focusing on do it every day. When you stand in front of a mirror, you can tell a few sentences about your parents. You can tell some sentences about your brother, about your sister, about your friend. My best friend is Milon. He is a gentleman and he is a professor. He teaches physics. Sometimes even he teaches biology. He gets to the college early in the morning, and he's one of the famous teachers in his locality because he's very friendly with his students and also with his colleagues, and he loves doing all the actions, what should I say, with a great hand. And if you'd like to talk about your father, why not talking about his name, age, about his likings, about his favorite things, about his future plan, about his journey, about his loss, about his gain. This is how you can continue. So the plan is very important, and standing in front of a mirror, standing in front of a camera, standing in front of a friend is very important. And sometimes you might what should I say, go on this show with a friend as well. A friend will tell 5 sentences about a particular places, and you have to tell about this particular places 5 sentences. Sometimes he will ask you some question and you will answer. Again you will ask him some questions, he will answer. So this is what we have to do. We have to go on this kind of ideas, that we have to take the challenge of a everyday challenge is very essential. But I'm sure of you, I'm sure, far sure and more sure that you can do it simply. But one thing is really hard, that is your determination, your sincerity, your punctuality, your attendance, your what? Your willing, your desire. If your desire is strong, none can stop you. Nothing can stop you. Your desire is very essential. For example, I am talking about a situation. Today, you see a view just behind me, and I'm telling team of school boys are coming to visit this situation. And as an instructor, I'm telling them your bus will reach your station at 6 a.m. The bus will pick you up. Then you can come here within an hour. Only 40 members of this team can make this journey. No more than person can go there, because our food arrangement is for 40%, our wearing arrangement is for 40%, our all kind of meals design is for 40%. So you 40% come, don't allow any of your friends, and because you have already booked for 40%. So when you come there, of course you take a wash, and at the right side of the canal you will find a washroom outside there, that is wash block. This block is very good and neat and clean. There you can get a if you would like to shower, take a shower, you can do it, and you have lot of washing things there, and you can use washing soap or all kind of liquid soap is there, you can use that. And then you take your breakfast at 8 a.m. After taking their breakfast, you can some photographs around this place, because this is the loveliest place of this particular area, as it is full of greeneries, as it is full of, what should I say, big giant trees. So this is the place you can enjoy, and you would be continuously visiting this place for 2 more hours, and you can enjoy the canal, you can enjoy the fountain here. It is very close to the canal. Even you can take some fishing also. You can take some rides. So I feel a bit cough there, and as it is outside cold, but I hope that my loveliest, dearest, and heartiest friends, fellows, and followers would enjoy this video, and hope that they will accompany us to do the next one, for joining their journey with us, and would love to talk in English, love to write in English, and love to see different kind of videos in English, and express their feelings, emotion everywhere in English. And that is a global language that will help them to come closer to their dream, and their dream will come true. Here I end. This is Tauhiduzzaman from English with Tauhid. Hope you to have a great day. Wish you all the best. Once again, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.